Welcome to Bryce Canyon National Park. This has always been a bucket list site to see. I've been to national parks all over the country, but I've never been here until now. This view looks absolutely insane. The sun is coming over the mountains as we speak. Let me show you what it's like to experience a sunrise here. Very cold today. I'm excited, man. Look at this. Look at these views, yo. Like, these views are unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's like, where are we? We are now at the bottom of the canyon on the Queen's Garden Trail. Whew. Took off a few layers, getting a little hot. I keep thinking that, the next day is not going to be as good. Today's not going to be as good, but every time I go to a new national park, I'm just blown away.
Perfect weather. We're not snowed in. Just enough snow to make some awesome photos. So.
Absolutely. Mike's about to hop up there right now. The spiral things you see sticking up are called hoodoos. The trail is a little icy, but thankfully there's sand mixed in with the ice, which allows you to keep your traction. The trail goes up and down, leading to some spectacular viewpoints. But because the trail goes up and down, there is a lot of uphill climbing to do at times.
Catch my breath.
Mike is absolutely speechless by this national park. Is that right?
Best time to hike, Bryce, is in the winter. Crazy snow, red canyons, contrast. It's all in the world out here.
Made it back to the top of Bryce Canyon. Great hike today. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Well, welcome. My name is Josh. We're out here in Utah to explore the Mighty 5 national parks. And if you like views like this, make sure you join us by subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. So if you're ready, let's get started. Woo! My hands were frozen. My feet hurt from all the hiking. But it's all worth it to be able to bring you along for the adventure. Thank you so much for watching.